My name is Tatiana, and I'm an undergrad here at UCR in the Heteropteran Systematics Lab. My research focuses on the plant bugs, also known as Miridae. So, plant bugs are not just any bug you find on a plant. It is specifically the family Miridae. They are small insects that are highly diverse in color and in shape. They live on host plants, and this can be very specific, where we have one species of insect only lives on one species of plant, or it can be not specific at all, where we have one species of insect that lives on many different species of plants. So they're easily identifiable by looking at here, their wing. We have this hard section and then this membranous section. And specifically, we have this cuneus here. And then they also do not have a ocelli on top of their head. And their antennae have 4 segments. And then they also have this rostrum here, their mouth parts. So where do plant bugs live? Well, they live all over the Nearctic, which includes places such as the US, parts of Europe, and parts of Asia. But here in California, we're lucky because we have a high number of species that only live here. We are what is called a biodiversity hotspot for the plant bugs. And this is just where we have a high number of species that all have small ranges. So they only live in California, and usually only in specific parts of California. And then their ecosystems are under threat. Some of these are like the coastal sage scrub, our chaparral out here in Riverside, and our desert. So by better understanding where they live and their patterns, we can understand which areas we need to protect. So you might be wondering, what do plant bugs eat? Well, we have our herbivores, so they only eat plants, and they typically live off of the sap. And then we have our predators, and they eat other insects that frequent the plants, such as aphids and whiteflies. So they eat by using their rostrum here, which you might notice it does not look like our jaw at all. It is, instead of chewing, they will have piercing, sucking mouth parts. So they pierce the plant, and then they will suck up all the juices, or they'll pierce the insect and suck up all the insect's juice. So we have good ones, such as this one eating an aphid. For these guys, we use them for biocontrol agents in places such as greenhouses. This way you don't have to spray pesticides. And then we have bad ones, like this tarnished plant bug. So these guys are a member of the genus Lygus, which are known to be plant pests on our crops. So you can think of our crops like these strawberries here, that sometimes when these guys attack them, they can create malformities in the strawberries. This is called cat basing. And if you're a strawberry lover like me, this may not look as delicious as what we're used to. And then, so we also just have some plain weird ones. We have this one with an enlarged abdomen. We have ones that look like ants. There's really long, skinny green ones, as well as ones with strange antennae. As you can see, plant bugs are a highly diverse group of insects. And I just want to say thank you for listening and learning about Miridae.